Well, YouTubers, this is Rigor from Rigor's Garage and Boat Basin. We're still working on the Grady white transom, except this is a repair video. I had a lamination failure, basically the last layer of 1708, and a couple of spots failed to adhere to the previous laminate. So I've got to take and fix it. So, hope you enjoy this. A little windy today. We got a storm coming up. So, hope you enjoy it. If you did, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. Here's my problem. If you look here, this laminate is not supposed to push in right here. That means right here it didn't stick. So I mean, this is now I've had another spot right here. You also see one right here where a little air bubble was down towards the bottom. I mean, I've gone through and I've looked at this, but you get right here, I've got to grind this out and put new laminate in. If you take a look at this transom, it's basically got 11-degree camber. Otherwise, it goes back, and so you know you're fighting gravity to get this to stick. I mean that's worthless strength-wise. So, like I say, here's one I've already ground out, and I put new glass on. It sticks. Now mainly all this is 1708. All of this, I don't have any problems anyplace else. I've gone through, but here I put 10-ounce cloth. I think I'll probably put, once I grind this down, I'll put another layer of 10-ounce cloth. I mean, this is 1708, which is basically 17-ounce cloth biaxial. So I'll put in the repair area a total of 20 ounces of glass. Now, to prevent this, two possible reasons I could think of. One is the negative pitch of the transom, and you're trying to wet out this large piece of glass. Maybe I should have split it in two. Although I was watching Andy at Boatworks today, and when he talked about this, he said one of the ways of doing this is to let put a layer, like a priming layer of resin, let it get tacky, and then push the glass down against it. Now, the other problem I could think of, it gets windy down here sometimes, and notice when you have a large piece of glass, I had a problem with the wind grabbing this. I mean, when I did this, I recall I did everything right. I mean, I used a little tooth roller and everything, but it just didn't stick. So, okay, I'm going to grind it out. I'm going to bring you back after I get through grinding it out. You've seen me use the flap disc sander on the angle grinder, and we'll come back and show you what I've done to repair this. Hey, here we are. I've ground this down, and you can see where I've taken out the defective laminate. Next step here is to put a primer coat of resin. And of course, I'm using Total Boat ISO resin. Although I got some Fiberglass Warehouse vinyl ester resin, I have yet to try it. But I'm going to use up my Total Boat since that's the oldest, and then put a layer of new glass here. Okay. Here's the area that I redid right in here. This was redone with 10-ounce cloth instead of the 1708. I've basically fixed the bubble, although I need to sand it. Still got some little bumps I need to sand off, like right here, and put another layer of the 10 ounce cloth. So I mean, I put some right here. This, yeah, just a little bit more, but making progress here. Making progress. Hey, there we go. I got a second layer of 10 ounce cloth on the transom where I had the laminate failure. See, now I'm back to where I started. You know, I'm ready to start ferrying the transom. There we go. Hope you enjoyed this episode of fixing the laminate failure. I did have a parting question for you. I was wondering if you know why ponies can't sing. And it's because they're a little hoarse. Check that out. If you like this episode, please feel free to like and subscribe. And of course, thanks for watching.